Hey guys. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in today. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. I am Tanya, and today I'm going to show you some affordable ways to style your bar cart. I don't care if it's just you and your hubby for the weekend, especially for the holidays. You have a long weekend, and it's just easier to go on and have things set up. It's festive if you're having guests. Let them have an oasis, some place where they can come and get an adult beverage. So it's just a nice way to set it up. Now, this table is affordable, but when it comes to bar carts, I don't like to go cheap. I like bar carts should be swanky, a little swanky, but you don't have to break the bank to pull it off. So let me show you some of the items I'll be using. I'll be using these Mikasa goblets that were given to us. These were like on my registry when I got married 30 years ago. And some people have heard this that, people were like, oh, why she wants some black. I have black dishes and black goblets from Mikasa 30 years. And they're like, oh, it's a new bride want black for. But I still love these to today. Till today, it's been over 30 years. So I'll be using these. And I got this Scapio sphere from Burlington, probably like $6.99. And I got this vase with the face. I got this on clearance at Pier 1. And then this floral arrangement. Got this from Hobby Lobby. So I like this. I like a little art, with function. And so, this stuff isn't cheap. I got this bar set, ice bucket, and the shaker. And then also came with the wine chiller. I got this from Burlington about a year ago. And it's fuzzy. It has like, the texture of a hide. And I saw that. I was like, God, somebody wanted me to have that. Because that is so me. Anybody knows me. And so this year, the hands are all over the place. Like if you go into or look at the Z Gallery, they have a whole section. They have different hands and stuff as figurines. This is also a vase. You can put flowers in there. So I'm going to use this stance, like power. Yeah, this is about power and solidarity and strength. So I want that. I think we need that. And then I'm going to use my coasters here. These are marble and wood coasters. They were $7.99 at Burlington. I've had these a couple, 3 years. So let's see how we're going to arrange it all on the bar cart. First, I'm going to give it a good cleaning. Before the pandemic, I had a cleaning service. I'm still considered I'm a former caterer, and then the catering turned into cleaning because I phased out the catering company years ago, and so people ask me, they says, "What tips do you have for cleaning?" And I said most of the people like on the internet, they do good jobs of cleaning, but they use these little bitty old rags. You got to go on and get a good rag, good absorbent microfiber rag, and some good cotton ones. They be using these little bitty things, so it takes forever. When you're in the cleaning business, we don't have time to keep wiping over stuff. You need stuff going, just drink it up. So that's my only tip. Okay, so we got that clean. So first, I like things that I like. I don't pursue things just because it's somebody's name. Like I said in my other video, my parents broke us out of that years ago. So I worked in the mall when I was 16, and I was around all the shiny new things, and I would take my little check. Back then, in the 70s, I was like we probably made $2.50 an hour. And I would get my little check, and then I would go get Jordache jeans and uh, Jordache and Gloria Vase. There's still these yellow corduroy Gloria Vanderbilt jeans that they were hot. And to this day, I would love to have a pair. But they just broke me out of that, thinking that you're better than somebody just because you're wearing some designer, somebody in Europe, you wearing their name on your body. They're the only one that's gaining. And it was like, don't you, so they really broke me out of that. So now they said, you can still look nice. You don't need someone else's name that don't even know you, that don't care nothing about you, anything about you. You don't need all that to feel good about yourself. Your esteem isn't based on having some European designer on your butt, wearing them. And so I'm so glad they broke me out of that. So I get things that are nice, that I like, and that are affordable. And it's not about just, oh, I got such and such name in my house. It's not about that for me. So everything has to be right. The price has to be right for me to purchase it. And so that's what this channel is about. It's being tasteful. My mother always said too, you can look nice and you neat and clean and you still have money in your pocket, and you don't give everybody, some people that don't know you, care about you, you don't give them all of your money, then you're broke. Okay, so that's what this is about. These are things I've like this is 30 years old. A lot of this stuff I've accumulated over the years, these things that I've curated, and I like them. Okay. So I don't want this fist to overshadow face. Yeah. So just use 3 like that. Okay. Then I'm going to put my coasters down. So I just want you guys to know what I stand for. You can have nice, like this bar cart I saw in Z Gallery. The same bar cart was like $350. Well, a lot of people want to get it so they can say they got it from Z Gallery. I got it from Amazon. It was like $140. My budget initially was like $100 for a bar cart. But I saw this one and I shopped around and saw how everybody else was charging, $300 to $500 for the same bar cart. I saw this, and hubby got it for me. He's like, yeah, that's a good deal. Okay, so that's what we're going to do then. Okay, guys, so I hope you learned something today or got something out of this video. It's just for fun and relax, and don't think you have to spend, the word tasteful means, it means having good judgment and aesthetic. Okay? You have good judgment. You know what your budget is. You know what looks good to you and in your household. So being tasteful is not about going broke trying to impress other people. All right? So thank you guys. Thanks for tuning in today. And hit that bell notification. Subscribe if you're new. If you just stumbled up on my channel, just go on, you hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you at the table. Like I said, I have a quality I have quality subscribers. I don't care about having a whole lot. I want quality subscribers here. Okay, guys, and you hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. Okay, guys, I'm sitting down tired. All right, guys. Bye, Mom. See you in my next video.